Thanks for letting me stay at your house, Tuffy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It's a pretty nice home you got here.
Thanks.
Do you have any bugs?
Yeah, I have a few.
Great, I'll have some tonight, probably. Could you do me a favor? Yeah, what? Could you go in my basement and give me a few wrenches and screws? For what? Fixing up vehicles. Okay, sure, I can go. Where's the basement? If you go outside, you'll find it. Great. See ya. Good luck. This must be the basement. Loads of bits and parts. Wow. Okay, he wanted wrenches. Is there any over here? I can't find wrenches! Okay, looks like there's some wrenches in here. This is a strange mechanism. Wonder what it is. Oh, looks pretty decent to me. Hey, is there any beetles in here? Holy crap, I think there's some beetles in here. Nice, tasty. Mmm. Ow. Oh, that hurts. Ow! Ah! Oh! It's... What the heck? Something pinched me. Wonder what this thing was. Air conditioner, I suppose. Where are those wrenches? Where would you keep a wrench? I don't really know. Any wrenches in here? Nope. Just cleaning supplies. It's gotta be somewhere. Is this a wrench? That is not a wrench. That is not gonna do. Okay. What a mouse poop. Wrenches? No. They gotta be somewhere. Ugh. I never found any wrenches. Okay, they gotta be somewhere. Hey, maybe behind here. Nope, no. Where are the wrenches? No wrenches in there. Ah, here's the wrenches! Finally! Took me forever! Okay, I got the wrenches. Okay, let's get out of here. What? I'm locked out! Oh no! Oh dang, the door must have failed or something. Oh. Quit it, Nighthawk. You're not a woodpecker. There's gotta be another way. There's a window. I don't even know where that goes. Uh-oh, this is not good. I'm locked in the basement! There's ghosts in here. That would just be unpleasant. Okay, I'm just gonna call Tuffy. Boop, 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 boop. Hey, Tuffy. Wait a minute. I left my phone upstairs! Ah! Okay, now this is starting to get bad. I gotta get out of here. Maybe he'll just notice me being gone. But I'd like to get out already. What's this? That's not gonna help me any. Away. I'm locked. Okay. Anything up here? Okay, don't panic now. There's gotta be a way. Forget the screws. I gotta get out of here. Ah! Phew-wee! That was terrifying for a second, man. Okay. Okay, I'm out. Okay. What the? I'm locked outside the house! This is not cool, man. Not cool. Oh, man. Creepy streetlights. I gotta get out of here! Okay. Well, I'm not really in something. I'm just locked out. I'm a nighthawk. There could be predators. Like foxes and coyotes. None of the stuff that's really for me. Oh, guys, I saw something moving. I just saw something moving. I gotta get out! What even is that thing?
He's been gone for a while. Oh, Nighthawk.
My name's not Nighthawk. And I got locked in the basement. Did you get the wrenches? No, I panicked and dropped them.
Oh, how did that happen?
I don't know. But it was terrifying. I even got locked out of the house.
Eddie, you should have just called me.
I left my phone upstairs.
That wasn't very smart of you.
Yeah, I know. But now, I'm just not gonna go to your basement unless I have you with me.
Okay, that's fine with me.